So it's automatically removing the background of the picture. So how cool is that, guys?
Hi, my name is Goodwill from Expat J&G Family and Education channel. So I get asked by some of you several times already how I create my YouTube thumbnails. So I feel like it's about time for me to make a tutorial for you guys. So for me, I think this is so far one of the easiest and simplest way to make a YouTube thumbnail, because you don't need a fancy app, or you don't need to download anything. You just need PowerPoint and a browser. Okay, it's super easy and it is 100% free. So just a very quick disclaimer, I'm not going to pretend like I know a lot. I'm just going to show you how I personally make mine. Okay, so without further ado, let's get started.
Okay, first thing you have to do is open PowerPoint program on your computer. But for me, I already have the file open here. I usually keep a record of all the thumbnails that I've used before, as you can see here. So yeah. So for example, here I'm making a series of the alphabet. Next time, if I want to do letter C, I can just right-click this, right-click, and click duplicate. And then I can just change the letter C, something like that, and then just delete these existing pictures and change to different pictures related to C. So that's how I make my thumbnail. But sometimes if you are making something completely different, okay, so I will just delete all these pictures, or I will make a new slide. So here I have a blank space to work on. So the first thing I suggest you do is to think of the main background you want to use. So here you can click design and you can choose colors you want to use as your main background. But here in this thumbnail, I actually use a different picture. So if I want to do that, if you already have the picture that you want to use, you can just paste it here. That's like your main picture. But if you don't have, you can go to Google and find a nice background. So for me, I think this is a nice background, so I will copy that and paste in here. So just let that main background fit. Okay, you can click like that. If you want to add pictures like this on your thumbnail, like you want to remove the background and you don't have an app to use, then don't worry, because there is a very easy way to do it. Alright, so open a new tab on your computer and just type remove.bg and then wait for it to load, and here it is. It says remove image background 100% automatically and free. So yeah, there are two ways you can remove the background, and there are two ways you can get your picture. The first one, if you already have the picture saved on your computer, just click upload image. But for me, I don't usually save the pictures on my computer. So what I do, for example, if I just use my phone to take pictures, I usually just send the pictures I want to use to my messenger or to my husband's messenger. So let me go to my messenger and get the picture that I sent to myself. So for example, here I click the picture that I want to use. Okay, so I'm just gonna right click the picture, copy image address, and go back to the site. And then instead of clicking upload, just click paste image or URL. And then go ahead and paste the URL that you copied from Messenger and click OK. And so here it is. It's removing the background automatically. So how cool is that, guys? You don't have to do much of anything. It will instantly remove the background. So I suggest sometimes if the picture has very complicated background, there are times that you have to polish. So you have to click edit sometimes. Okay, if there are parts you want to erase, you can click erase, and you can adjust the size of the brush. For example, I want to erase this balloon, what do you call this, a string. Okay, Or if you want to restore something, I will restore it back and I can adjust the size again. I want to restore the one I erased earlier. Whoops, 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 whoops. Okay. Or if you want to go back, just click undo. Okay. So once you have like the desired picture, you click download. Download. All right. So, yeah, but trust me, guys. Like I said earlier, you don't even need to do anything. Like it just instantly remove the background. So another very important tip here, at the bottom it says, don't forget to download your files. They will be discarded automatically after 60 minutes. So since this is a free site, it will be deleted automatically after 60 minutes, as it said. So you have to download it. If you want to save a copy on your computer, make sure to download it. But if you don't want to have a copy on your computer for future use, just directly paste on PowerPoint. So now I'm back here on PowerPoint and I can just easily paste the picture. So to answer the question of my friend, how to put the lining on the picture, just double click the picture and then right click and then choose format picture. So after that, you go to glow and then choose the color of the lining you want it to be. So here I'm choosing white. All right, you can also adjust to different size of the lining like that, but I think this is pretty good like this. You can change the color to black, oops, black or blue or red, but I think I'm fine with white. So how cool is that? So since the background is big again, you can double click that and click crop and you can crop the background like that, so it just fits the picture. Okay, and then you can make it big. You can make it big like that, however much you want. Then be creative here. Now you can add text, just click word art and just click whatever art you want. And for example, I'm gonna type here how I edit my thumbnails. Go to format and you can change the text outline. So here I choose black and I can go down to weight, and here you can choose the weight of the outline you want to be. So here I think this is fine. Now you can change the font here. So just basically be creative. So here you can Control A and go to format text effects. Here you can also change the glow. Like this is like blue. This is the thinnest part and this is the thickest glow. You can also change the colors here, more glow colors, you can click that one. So yeah, just explore and like I said, be creative. So let's go here. So this is so far most likely to be my YouTube thumbnail for this specific video. So yeah, it's so simple and very easy to make, guys. So when you save this, just go to File, go to Save As, and Thumbnail, and then click this one and save it to JPEG. Make sure you save it to JPEG. Click Save. You go. So it's already done. So the picture will automatically be saved in your pictures on your computer. So that's all for today, and I hope this video gave you guys some ideas about how to easily make your YouTube thumbnails using only PowerPoint and a browser without using any fancy apps. So thank you so much for watching. Bye!